just saw a video of someone taking almond butter and making milk out of it. Hi, Robin here from my Alkaline Vegan Journey. Never buy nut butters, creams, or milks ever again. Stay tuned. Okay, let me get to work. Let me show you how to go from a raw walnut to the butter, to the cream, to the milk. It's all about adding the water. This is walnut butter. This is a creamier walnut butter that's sweetened with the dates. So this, at this consistency, can still be considered as a walnut butter. Okay, at this consistency, we have 1 cup of walnuts, a half a cup of spring water, and 6 pitted dates. And as you can see, it's really right between a creamy butter and a very thick cream. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. Actually, I'm going to take some of this out, set it aside, and add water to the rest to make the cream, and then the milk. Okay, to make the cream, we add 1/4 cup of water and about 3 dates. I like mine sweet. This is the walnut cream. This is the consistency you want for your hint ice cream. There you have it. Walnut butter, cream, and milk. Hi, it's Robin from my Alkaline Vegan Journey, and there you have it. Walnut butter, cream, and milk. I started off with 1 cup of walnuts, a tablespoon of spring water, and 3 medjool dates to make the butter. Then I added that butter to the blender, added a 1/4 cup of water and 3 additional medjool dates, blended it, and there's the cream. You could add more or less water to make it as thick or as loose as you'd like. Then I took some of the cream, added it to the blender with an additional 1/4 cup of water, spring water, and this is what I got, a nice frothy, thick milk. So there's our milkshake, our ice cream. Not sure what I'm gonna do with the butter.